Today is the day that we get to tear down the KX250F build. Finally going to get this started. Hopefully get a bunch of things done today. I finally got the bike set up in here. Very fortunate to have a place to keep this bike and build it throughout the winter time. At my brother and my dad's shop, got a little welding room in here, so got a little setup going. Cleared some things out of the way, and it should be a great spot to complete the build for this year. Last winter, actually, when I had my old bike, I had to work on it in the shed in our backyard. It's not insulated, there's no heat in there, so I was out there night and day after work, grinding out the build for the season, freezing my butt off, like -20 nights, -25, set up a little light in there. It's a very tight space, so just not really convenient, but very thankful I got this space this time, and excited to get this build series going, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Here's the 18 KX250F. We got this little corner setup going. Got our parts here, a couple boxes, a couple tools and stuff. Like I said, very fortunate to have this space. Very lucky. Don't gotta grind in that shed anymore in the freezing cold. I've done a couple things to it so far. Started taking off these grips. As you can see, the previous owner put a crap ton of tie wire here. Nice and rusty, great safety hazard to chew up your hands. I already ripped a bunch of it off. As you guys saw in the last video, I got some new nice Scott grips that are gonna go on that. Got the stock foot pegs here. Gonna be polishing these up, throwing them back on. Previous owner decided to put these eBay specials on. I don't know about you guys, but I think this just looks super tacky. Going to take these brackets off, sandblast them, get them powder coated. Not sure what color yet, possibly black or just a nice clean silver to blend into the aluminum frame. My plan is to get the front forks off today. Not sure how far we're gonna get, I'm pretty busy, don't have a lot of time, but just wanted to get a couple things done, couple things taken off. This rear brake pedal here, it's kind of bent under the clutch cover, as you guys can see. Not very ideal for hitting that rear brake on the track, trail riding when you're out with the buddies. Gonna get this slammed off, take the anodizing off this, probably the shifter as well. Worst case, if I can't bend it nice how I want it, I'll just buy another one. But like I said, here's the other pegs. Eventually gonna take out this rear shock. And yeah, let's get this started for you guys. So guys, finally got that shifter off. Discovered that all the threads in here are shaved out, busted, completely stripped, nothing left. Not sure if you can see with the lighting and the camera angle. Had to throw some WD-40 in there to get it off. And then whoever owned this last had this sleeve they cut up so that basically this, having no threads left, would clamp onto this and hold it. Thank God that the discovered the crankshaft threads are still fine. It's kind of nerve-wracking until I found out they were still good. So thank God for that, but this shifter is going to be going to the garbage now. I will be getting another one and just preserving this tip on here. So guys, finally got these few things off. As you can see, the old grips are off. I'm gonna toss these out. These are going to be shined up in just a second here. You guys will see me doing that. These, I'm not sure, probably just keep them as extras, maybe sell them or something, give them to a buddy for free, whatever. These are going to be powder coated. Let me know in the comment section down below if I should do these silver, black, gray, any suggestions. You guys can let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, let's get to polishing these babies up. these foot pegs cleaned up. Decided to get a little torch happy, see what we could make happen with these things. They're looking amazing in my opinion. Really like the blue flame. I'm assuming they are titanium. I wasn't sure if they were or not, but they turned out pretty nice. This one looks better than the other one. Probably gonna hit the torch with it a little bit more, see what we can do. This one doesn't have as much blue as that one, but in my opinion, pretty good just for stock foot pegs. A lot better than those green eBay specials. And yeah, so today's Friday afternoon, and as you saw in the last video, my buddy Tyler, he helps me a lot with my bikes. I help him a lot, so he should be showing up tomorrow morning so we can get the Kawi here all ready, get the front forks off, get the rear suspension off, tear it down some more, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it's now Saturday morning. I got Tyler here with me. We're gonna take the suspension off the bike and show you a little time lapse. Hopefully get all this stuff torn down today and get ready for the next step with this thing. Finally got the bike taken apart, got the rear shock out and the forks. This is currently how it sits. Got the front wheel off. No suspension, got the linkage out. It's ready to be dropped off at MP1. Everything's just hanging out. Got Tyler here, hard at work. Having a nice little rest after all this. Here are the forks. Excited to get these dropped off next weekend. It's the rear shock as well. This is that dirty filter I was telling you guys about in the preview video. Look at this thing. What brand is this? Or anything. It's what a disaster. Very healthy for the bike, boys. We know it's been breathing great. So yeah, that's the first part of the build video. I will be making a little vlog dropping off the suspension this next weekend to come. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what types of videos you want to see, and thanks for tuning in. Take care, guys.